Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to talk about the part 1 of 100 projects for beginner in 2023. Okay, so this is the part 1 video and we are going to release part 1 to part 10 for this series, and basically each part will have 10 videos at least. So basically each part will be having 10 projects. So basically if I'm going to tell you the 10 project for in the each part, so I will be releasing 10 parts. So we are going to give you 100 project along with the each project dry run of the code, and also a source code of those projects. So basically this will be a very good point to understand and to run these codes. So if you do these 100 project, it will be very good for your resume and also for your campus recruitment, guys. So make sure you understand each and every code and try to implement in your own, and make sure you will be stick to this series. This is going to be very interesting, and we are going to deliver 100 projects, mini projects for you, so that you can make it as a mini project as well, or you can understand for the better understanding. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So basically for the first one we are going to deliver the calendar application using Java. So basically the calendar application in Java is something you will be getting this calendar, and I'm make sure this will be two buttons will be there which will navigate you from forward and backward of the months, and also you will be getting a drop down to choose the year, current year of this particular thing. So you will be getting a drop down so that you can choose the year. So this is for the first application where you can understand, and of course I will be providing a dry code run for this particular thing, and also I will be giving you the source code of this particular thing. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to Code for Placement and do stay tuned with us for the upcoming projects. So second project is addition calculator. Addition calculator is the first number you will be having. You will be having second number, you will be having the addition result, and you have 3 buttons: add, clear and exit. So this is our going to be second project, second mini project again. Yes, so you can understand this. Again I will be providing a separate video for this project as well. So the third project which we are going to talk about is greet a message in Java. So basically greet a message in Java, you will be having a greeting message where you can type thing who's there, and this owl will give you the response back. So this is one of the best tool to interact with. Again, the third or the fourth project which we are going to talk about is the turning the light on using the Java. You will be having these 3 bulbs, and these 3 bulbs you can able to turn on by using this switch. Okay, so this is one of the project which we are going to talk about in the upcoming video, which is the fourth project in our series. The fifth project is mini math game. So we will be having a math game, end button will be there, and this is the buttons which you will be having for other things. Okay, so this is the mini math game, and this is going to be our 5th mini project. Okay, so this is our 5th mini project, and I will be giving you the source code for this as well with a separate video. Then the 6th project is color matching game. You will be having basically we will be having the color of RGB, which is red, green, blue, and you will be having a button for each of them. So red will be having the to add and subtract, to just to add the number or reduce the number, increase or decrease the number. For green you will be having the button as well. For blue you will be having a button. Whatever the color is here, you can able to match it. Okay, so this is how you will be giving a match color code, and this is one project which we are going to talk about in the 6th one. The 7th project, which is the one of the good project, which is a digital clock in Java. So basically we will be having an hours, minute and second, along with the time AM and PM, with the date and days as well. So this is a digital clock which we are going to make in the 7th project. These are the mini projects, guys. So do subscribe to Code for Placement so that you can get the complete source code and the understanding of each of the project very separately, and this is going to be a very good it look good in your resume, and it will attract a good place for you as well when it talks about the campus recruitment. So this is the 8th one, which is the color picker app. Again, these source code are used in the real-time project as well. So we are going to give you the mini project along with the source code and the dry run of the particular project, and for the each separate video. So this is our 8th project. When we talk about the 9th project, this is countdown timing. In this countdown timing, you will be having hours, minute and second. You can able to insert it here. You will be having a play button, a pause button and a reset button, and also you will be getting the countdown timeout here. So this is our 9th ninth project, ninth mini project. The last and not the least, you will be having the 10th project, which is in this particular part 1. Again, I am talking about this part. This is just a part 1. We will be releasing to part 1 to part 10 of this particular series, which will help you to create a mini project with you. So this is the project. We will be having a simple color game, and again this is we will be talking about in a separate video for the 10th project as well. So this is all about part 1. We will be releasing the parts 2 soon, after completing these all 10 mini projects separately. So stay tuned and do subscribe to Code for Placement. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.